deadly eye contact.
I know, I was like...
To be on a chopper. My breakfast. This is Aimster's breakfast. Good morning. And it's 2 p.m. I'm just good. So we tried the coffee. The fact that I had to add my own sugar, and Amy had the hot chocolate, and the fact that she had to add her own sugar, already off to a bad start. Just for the coffee, though. The food should be good. I think I'm just starving. That's good. It's real food, at least. We have a game we're going to. Phoenix Suns will be playing Brooklyn Nets. It's gonna be Amy's first basketball game. Yes. Oh, the other day when we vlogged, we were supposed to go to the game, but it didn't happen. It didn't happen. Well, you see. The thing is, we didn't vlog that night, do we? We were so stressed. We just tried to survive. We got lost in the subway for 3 hours and then made it to a cable car. That took a total amount of 5 seconds. But it was great views. And we're not complaining. It was fun. It's cute. Cute moment. But now we're fully prepared for the game. And look, it doesn't even feel like we're going to the game.
No, I think it's because we're so relaxed.
Yeah, where are we? What the heck? We are. Everyone's all. Wait, I think it might be there. I don't think it's down that way.
No, I think it was still on the same line.
Yeah.
We just came this way and then went that way.
Yeah, and like the Starbucks is right there. Another thing that has been happening on this trip is that we don't plan for anything. Like, for example, we plan to go somewhere, like somewhere dumb. We'll be like, we should go to Forever 21, like on that street. And we'll agree and be so excited. And then when we go there, it just happens to be in one of like an important place we should have gone to.
Like, oh, this is like a serious place.
Yeah, there's like, oh, so many tourists. Yeah. We don't plan for it. We just happen to like stumble on these like locations. We're going to a wig store. Get some wigs. Maybe we'll I made like deadly eye contact.
I know, I was like, damn. Alright. Y'all know each other.
We went to the beauty supply store, tried on a couple wigs, looked absolutely disgusting, made me love my hair. And those women were just being so mean. Yeah, because we tried on, I tried on 3 wigs, and then I was like, okay, so maybe I'll try the lace ones now, and like that's like where I was headed towards, and then she was like, sorry, you can only try on 3 wigs, no more after. How can you say that? It's like going to a clothing store and then them being like, you can only try, or like a shoe store, you can only try on 3 pairs of shoes. What if the 4th one is the one? Like you blocked your own bag. I don't understand. But we're gonna go to the hotel and put on lashes, attempt to put on lashes for this one over here. It will be fun.
Oh, my bald eyes. Oh, it's gonna be so fun.
It will. Oh, we haven't even bought your makeup, Amy. Tomorrow. We don't even have anything planned tomorrow.
Yeah, we just have to do it.
Yeah, that's
So
it.
that's fine, we can do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
And you said from CVS, right?
Yeah, we could, or CVS or even like Walgreens, Ulta, like somewhere like over in those ends.
So we don't even have to.
I don't know. So since I'm going back home, and I'll be able to buy. Oh look, another Asian cuisine spot. That looks so good. Oh, too. This looks nice. Yeah. Yeah. Since I'm going home, I'll do all my shopping there tax free. Hello. Right here. Oh, we ordered 2 or 1? Yeah. And I wonder where they keep their straws. Actually, I don't think this is a straw drink. Don't say that. Not funny, not funny. Oh, this is so cool. This makes me miss the amusement park feeling. Today is actually less cool than yesterday. You sure about that? I agree. It's not like it should be. No, not at all. Ooh, I feel it in my face. Why do I always feel it in my face? No, stop. It's good. Ma'am. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nope, no minutes. Nothing cut down. Just our energy. Oh no, we did! We cut down by 1 minute. Now if we keep this up for 13 more minutes. This is so weird. First the Chrysler. Now the Richard.
Which is which? Tell me.
God. Another sign.
Oh, it's a sign to have the wall. That's the sign.
No, literally. Oh, I don't even know what side of town we're in. See guys, they have them little shops like markiti. So don't be ashamed if you're in Africa and watching this. We have it in New York too. it to Starbucks. Officially, how many minutes out?
From where?
The helipad. 9 minutes.
or less.
Or less. And you won't believe it, we're at Starbucks. Finally get to have my cinnamon dolce latte at 5
How
p.m.
many hours left?
Literally. But it's okay, it'll do. It'll keep me warm and it'll be perfect. We are here. Just keep going straight. Look, there's already one helicopter. Oh, we're about to be on a chopper. Oh, in New York. Hello. This is a huge bucket list item. And we're 5 minutes away from it. I cannot believe my eyes. And on top of that, today's lesson goes to be everything works out.
In the end.
Quite literally even got my Starbucks. I even managed to get Starbucks. Everything works out. I'm gonna trash this.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you.
Okay. We're gonna have a Wingstop night. So we should go pick it after this, which that's our next location. Pick it up.
Now we just go to the hotel and we don't get out.
Exactly, we can just eat it.
Done for the night.
Eat it. And I'm so excited. What flavor are you getting?
Anything really spicy.
Oh, that sounds really good.
And barbecue. I like barbecue.
I was gonna get lemon pepper, but they usually put like salt and then they put the lemon pepper seasoning, but usually lemon pepper already has salt.
Oh, so then it's extra
like,
salt.
Yeah.
Can you just say no salt?
That too. If you told me like, oh, it's a 20-minute walk, whatever, like before I came to New York, I would look at you like you're crazy. I would literally, I'd be like, you need to get something checked, because that's
Now
not
when
okay.
we see 20 minutes, we're like, yes! Oh, we don't have to take the subway or anything.
It's just a walk away. Oh my god. Because think about it, we could probably like walk through all of Mombasa within a day and lap around again.
Madison Avenue, so I guess that's my good.
Yes, ma'am. It's gonna be on the right. But if I told you that your shower water was dirted, then this huh? Oh my god, it says stop. Which one? Oh. Do it good. We're here. That good?
This ranch?
And this ranch is what I was literally dreaming about. Oh my gosh, the fries. We've been dreaming about this, I think, for the last like 3 nights, 4 whole week, since last week.